Okay, so this is Peter Donovan, and he is putting together the Soil Carbon Challenge for the country, and we're at Hickory Neck Gap, and we're going to participate in the Soil Carbon Challenge. And we are currently driving down to our farm in Rutherford County, where we're going to work the cattle today, and we are going to work the cows, and while we're doing that, Peter is going to be getting a baseline for how much carbon we have in the soil. So I'm going to turn this over to Peter.
Okay, Jamie, the Soil Carbon Challenge is a competition to recognize land stewards for turning atmospheric carbon into water-holding, fertility-enhancing soil organic matter. And it's based on a measurement, baseline measurement plus follow-up measurements on a small representative plot, or two or three. And we're not mapping carbon over a landscape, but we're measuring change over time at a single or multiple representative small plots. And so this competition is based not on rhetoric or promises or models, but on actual performance. And it's a test of management. How well can your management turn atmospheric carbon into water-holding soil organic matter? We think water is very important. In the grand scheme of things, water tends to follow carbon. When you have more carbon in and on your soils will absorb and retain water more, leading to fewer problems with droughts and floods. And also soil organic matter, as we know, can replace a lot of inputs such as water-soluble nitrogen fertilizer that a lot of people use. And soil organic matter is, in a sense, the surplus work of the biosphere. The carbon cycle is the pattern of the biosphere's work, and that means force over distance. In other words, this work, in a sense, creates our atmosphere, creates our soils, creates and maintains ocean salinity. And this work of the biosphere has actually created much of the environment that we think of as the physical environment. And we believe that soil carbon, soil organic matter in particular, is the keystone indicator of this biosphere work.
And you were saying the other day that the biosphere actually has 10 times what was that statistic?
The biosphere does globally 10 times the work of all our industrial energy, all our hydroelectric nukes, wind turbines, all of that stuff. But we don't think of it as work typically because it's spread out, gradual, and quiet.
And it's happening all the time, like underneath our feet.
It's happening all the time with plant photosynthesis, and then that drives the whole food web of every blink of an eyelash.
Okay.
Is powered by that solar energy captured by green plants.
Green plants. Okay. Thanks, Peter. And if we think of anything else, we'll add it on.